Good morning, students. Welcome back to the language class. In this video, I will deal with formal letter. Formal letter is divided in three parts. One is format, which is of 3 marks, content, which is of 2 marks, and expression, which is of 5 marks. Okay, let's deal with format first. In the format, first you need to write the sender's address. Towards the left hand side, you write the sender's address. Now send the sender's address, that means your own address. So you can write house number 123, comma, urban estate, comma, Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, then comes the date. The date, suppose if it is 7 May, then you write 7 May, comma, 2020, full stop. Okay, after that comes the receiver's address. Receiver's address means the person to whom you are writing the letter, that person's address. Suppose if you are writing to the editor of a newspaper, then you write the editor, comma, the name of the newspaper, the Times of India, comma, then city, that is Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, children? Now, whenever you write these things, please leave a line in between. Okay, then we come to the salutation. Salutation, because you are writing a formal letter, so the salutation will be dear sir, D capital, S capital, comma, or dear madam, D capital, M capital. Right, children? Then you leave a line and then you write the body of the letter. Again, it must be written in at least 2 paragraphs. After you finish writing the body, then you leave a line and then the subscription, yours faithfully, Y capital F small, comma, and your full name, full stop. Okay. Now, children, suppose if you are writing the letter to the principal of your school and the letter is related to something that is concerned with the school. Okay, for example, if you are writing to the principal and you want to ask the principal to increase the number of PT periods. Okay, right now you get only 1 period and you want to have 2 periods in a week. And because this issue is concerned with the school, then in the sender's address, you will write the address of the school, because this letter can be written from school also. Right, children? So, such a letter in which you are writing to the school principal and which is related to an issue which is connected with the school, then in the sender's address, you will not write your own address, you will write the school address. For example, you will write St. Joseph's Convent School, comma, then Cantonment Road, comma, and Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, then you write the date, which will be the same, and then you will write the receiver's address. Who is the receiver? The principal of the school. So you will write the principal, comma, name of the school, St. Joseph's Convent School, comma, then Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, and when you are addressing the school principal, do not write respected sister. In fact, the word respected you should not use for any person. Okay, instead of writing respected sister, you write dear madam, which is allowed and permissible for all the letters. Okay, children? Fine? Okay, another thing. When you are writing the receiver's address, the main thing is this definite article. Do not drop the. Do not write simply principal or simply editor. This definite article, the, is very important. Okay, so this first line, whom you are writing the letter, this is extremely important. Any error in this line and you lose half a mark straight away. Fine, children? Okay. Now, there is something else also. The formal letters are addressed to many people. Let's see how will be the receiver's address for all those people. Okay. First, you can be asked to write a letter to the mayor. If you are asked to write a letter to the mayor, then you will write the mayor. We are only discussing receiver's address here. Okay, you will write the mayor, comma, the municipal corporation, comma, Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, or suppose if you are asked to write the letter to the municipal commissioner, then you will write the municipal commissioner, comma, the municipal corporation, comma, and then Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, suppose if you are asked to write the receivers, you are asked to write the letter to the chief minister, then the receiver's address will be the chief minister, comma, office of the chief minister, comma, and then Punjab, because there will be only one chief minister for the entire state of Punjab. Okay, suppose if you are asked to write the letter to the police commissioner, okay, then you will write the police commissioner, comma, office of the police commissioner, comma, Jalandhar. Okay, suppose if you are asked to write to the police inspector, then you will write the police inspector, comma, Jalandhar police station, comma, and then Jalandhar. Right? Now, suppose if you are asked to write the letter to the district magistrate, then you will write the district magistrate, comma, office of the district magistrate, comma, and then Jalandhar, full stop. Now, suppose if you are asked to write to the traffic controller, then you will write the traffic controller, comma, the Department of Traffic Control, comma, Jalandhar. Okay. Next, if it is the manager of a printing press, then you will write the manager, comma, name of the printing press. It can be National Printing Press or Doaba Printing Press. Okay, comma, and then city Jalandhar, full stop. Okay, children? And these things you will write in your composition notebooks. Just the way I am telling you, the same way you will write these things in your composition notebooks. Now, let's pick up a letter to understand the way to write a formal letter in a better way. Again, it is from your Total English test paper 2. It is on page number 42. Okay, the letter says, write a letter to the manager of printing press requesting him to grant permission to you and your classmates to visit the press. Okay, mention the probable date of the visit and the number of students who will accompany you. Okay, now you are asked to write the letter to the manager of a printing press and you want to visit the press along with your classmates. Fine. Now let's see how you can write the content. Okay, in the content, first you want to give the reason for your visit. Now, what could be the reason? Why would you want to visit a printing press? Okay, then the reason can be that you have undertaken a project on printing press, okay, or you are part of a school group or a class group and you are asked to prepare a presentation on how a modern printing press works. Therefore, you need to visit the printing press in order to see its working. Okay, this you will write the reason for the visit and then you need to request for permission. This word request must be there. Okay, then when you intend to visit, now this visit must be within 15 to 20 days of writing the letter. Okay, suppose if you are writing the letter on 7th May, then this date can be 22 May 2020. Okay, now you have to mention the date of the visit, and along with it, you can give one more information that you need to submit this project at after 25 May or on 25 May. Okay, therefore you plan to visit on 22 May, and then they have asked you to write the number of students. Suppose if there are 20 students who will accompany you, okay, or along with you, the number of student comes to 20. Then you will write 20 in words. Right, children? Now, this is what will comprise the content of the letter. Okay, now we move on to the third part, which is the expression. Expression, again, as I told you, it is related to how you open the letter, how you close the letter, and how you frame the information which you are providing in the letter. Okay, now in this case, the opening sentence can be, with due respect, I would like to state that I am a class 10 student studying in St. Joseph's Convent School. Okay, another thing, children, in formal letter, the language is always formal. Okay, after writing this line, you can give the reason why you are writing this letter. Okay, you are addressing this person because you want to visit the printing press. And why do you want to visit the printing press? Because you have been given a project or you have to prepare a presentation. Okay, then how will you place the request? Request can be written in this way also. It would be extremely kind on your part to allow me to visit the printing press along with my classmates. Okay, or you can write something like this also: I humbly request you to grant us the permission